Hey guys, before starting today's video, I'd like to tell you that I have uploaded episode 2 of Doraemon 2005. So just go and check it out because due to some space issue, I might have to delete some episodes. So just go and check it out right now. Telegram link is in the description below. And also in future, I'm thinking about uploading multiple videos like movies and all. So make sure that you go to Telegram channel and follow that. Hey everyone, so this video is going to be about me booking the ticket from Japan to India. So in this video you are going to get to know about how you can book tickets from Japan to India. So I am going to go to Delhi. So I am going to show you the process from start to end of booking tickets from Tokyo Narita Airport to Delhi Indira Gandhi International Airport. After opening Google, I will search for Skyscanner. Here I can see the site, so let me go inside. Here I have already selected Narita Airport and Indira Gandhi Airport, New Delhi, right? So you can read it DEL here. Now if I click outside, so here you can see the dates. Let me select the dates first. So I am going on 4th of April, like 20th of April. So let me select it, and I want to return on May. So let me select 4th May, 5th May, which one 5th May, let's select, because my leaves are till 6th, so I can select 5th and I will come back on 6th, right? So 5th would be better to select, I think. So from 20th of April to 5th of May, let's see the flight tickets which are available from this duration. So let me do Kensaku. Kensaku means to search. So now it is searching. Let me see, let it process the cheapest flights. So right now you can see 94,352. Let me click on this. So here you can see like there are multiple flights which have come. So I will scroll down to see what is the best suitable option for me. So you can see the price is increasing with every flight. So let me make a note of this amount and let me see the price of all tickets from all the airports. Right now I am selected Narita Airport only, right? So let me select all the airports in Japan, which will include Haneda Airport as well. So if I select that, so I think I can see more options. So Subito no Kuko I have selected, like all airports. Let me search now and let's see if any better option is available. So from Narita it was 94,000 yen. So if I check from Haneda, it is showing from 96,000, right? So I think Narita is better because here from Haneda the price of tickets are a little more than from Narita. Let me check 4th of May if any better option is available. 5th of May I have noted the price. So let me see 4th of May. Any best option is available, any better option is available or not. But it looks like there is no change, rather it's more expensive. So 5th of May was 94,000, but this is 99,000. So almost 1 lakh yen it is charging, right, for Cathay Pacific Airlines. So let me think about it. So whenever you are also booking tickets, just compare multiple dates. So choose the better option available for you. And if I go and check 6th of May, maybe any 7-8 hours of flight is there, which will make me reach Japan the same time, like same day. So it is there, like, but if you see, the flight time is too much. If I board the flight on 6th of May, I will reach after 34 hours. So like 8th of May I will reach. So it's not possible because 7th of May is my office again. If I show you the calendar, I have taken leaves from 20th of April to 6th of May. Now I opened 3 tabs, and in first tab I have selected going and return. So my going date is 20th April and here it is return is 5th of May. So first I thought 5th May I will reach Japan on 6th of May. But here if I see from Japan to Delhi, it is 16 hours 50 minutes. It is manageable somehow, but while coming from Delhi to Japan, it will take around 36 hours. So I won't be able to reach to Japan on 6th of May. So this is not feasible. And then the price increases a lot. So I am not considering this one. If I move to one day before, like Saturday, 4th of May, here I can see, this is Japan Airlines, but the price is 1,34,000 yen. So this is not feasible. And if this one I see, Cathay Pacific Airlines, so the flight will start from Japan at 10:40 morning, Saturday. Okay. And 14 hours of flight, and I will reach Delhi at evening 9 o'clock. And so the total flight time is 14 hours, and while returning, the total flight time is 11 hours 35 minutes. So, and the price is also under 1 lakh yen. So this seems so far feasible for me. I can manage with this one, because the flight time is also not that much. Okay, so this seems suitable for me. Cathay Pacific Airlines, 14 hours of travel time from Japan to India, and while returning also 11 hours 35 minutes. So and the price is also under 1 lakh. So I think I will go with this one. Okay, let's open this one. Inside, if I go, let's see. Okay, so it says Chiketo o Yoyaku, like reserve your ticket. So this is how it is. The price is okay. Trip.com this much, 99,000. Goto Gate 99,815. MyTrip.com 99,977. So let's go with this one. So it says Gorio arigato gozaimasu, like thank you for using it. Mamonaku yoyaku saito ni idoshimasu. Very soon we will move to the reservation site. They see Skyscanner to trip.com. It is taking me to this site. So I'm showing you how you can book tickets. Chiketto no Shosai, like details of the ticket. Narita to Delhi, Delhi to Narita. So this is the time when I will board the flight. Okay, this is the boarding time. First time I am also booking flight, international flight from Japan to India and India to Japan. I am booking myself, because when I came to Japan, my company booked the flight for me. So Tokyo to New Delhi, because not everyone is a Japanese learner on this channel, I think so. So let me change it to English so that everyone can see how to book the flight. Oh, translate option is not working. I'm sorry. You have to deal with it. Okay, let me tell you as much as possible. So New Delhi, it says New Delhi, Iki, like going to New Delhi. April 20th, Saturday. Required time that it will take is 14 hours 5 minutes. So here you can see Narita. I will board at 10:40. Tokyo Narita Kokusai Kuko, like Tokyo Narita. This is Narita Kokusai International Airport, Kuko Airport, T2. So I'll be boarding T2 airport. This is Noritsugi, and like connecting to a different flight. This is Hong Kong and Sanjikan Gofun. Like 3 hours 5 minutes. I will be at halt at Hong Kong airport, and then at 21:15 New Delhi Indira Gandhi Kokusai Kuko T3. So I will board at T2 Narita, and I will reach at Delhi T3. Okay, everything seems good. Now the luggage details are here. Like it says, okay, just now I saw one thing. If I select it, you can see English also, right? Seat class and fare confirmed. Book now. I can also see English because it's easy and fast for me also. So fare selection. Unchin no sentaku. Here if I
Unchin no sentaku.
It speaks also. Unchin no sentaku. Okay, fare selection. So it says economy class. So 7 kg I am allowed to take, and 23 kg of luggage is allowed for me. 7 kg of cabin bag, which I can take on the plane, and 23 kg is luggage bag. And it says that if you want to make some changes, something commission is there, like change commission, so something 40,000 plus. So I'm not selecting that, it's fine. Now the main thing, let's see the price. If I see the price, it says Kakaku Shosai, like pricing details. Okay, let me select for you also. Okay, so this is Chinese. I don't know why Chinese is coming. It's Japanese. Maybe Chinese is also the same thing. So it says one ticket. Okay, airlines ticket for one adult, it's like this much. So see, fare is this much,
and fare is around 48,000 and tax and fuel surcharge is this much. So basically it's fair for us, right? This is Tenimotsu, right?
手荷物、
Tenimotsu, okay. And this is checked baggage. Okay, so all these baggage and all is Murio, like free, they are saying, and total amount that I have to pay is 99,090, and they are giving trip coins 169. I don't know if I will ever use it. Well, after that I booked the ticket for 99,090 yen, and it was around 55,000 in INR. And I hope you enjoyed the video, you learned something out of it, and if you did, make sure to press the subscribe button and press the like button also, and if possible press the bell button also. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and have fun.